In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and make a purchase on DHgate using a new payment card. Whether you're a first-time user of DHgate or looking to refine your online shopping experience, this step-by-step guide will help you get through the process easily and efficiently. So let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice and type in DHgate's website, or simply head to dhgate.com. Once the website is fully loaded, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll notice a wide variety of product categories to choose from, ranging from electronics to clothing and much more. The home page is designed to make navigation straightforward, with a search bar prominently displayed at the top to quickly find any specific product you might be interested in. Once you've browsed through the available categories and found a product that catches your interest, click on it to view more details. This will bring up the products page where you can find thorough descriptions, customer reviews, pricing, and any available sizes or color options. It's important to give this page a detailed look to ensure that the product meets your needs and expectations. Customer reviews can be particularly helpful as they provide insight into the quality and usability of the product. After confirming your product selection, you will want to proceed to the checkout process. This is where you'll finalize your purchase, but don't worry, it's a very user-friendly process. Begin by clicking on the checkout button. You should now be on the checkout page, a critical step in your purchasing journey. Here, you'll see a section dedicated to payment methods. To pay with a new card, simply click on the option that reads Pay with a New Card. At this point, you'll be prompted to input your card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, and the security code, which is typically found on the back of your card. Make sure to double-check these details to avoid any errors during payment processing. These steps are designed with security in mind, ensuring that your payment information is kept safe and confidential. Once you've inputted your payment information correctly, you can proceed to complete your purchase. A confirmation screen should appear shortly thereafter, indicating that your order has been successfully placed. You can now sit back, relax, and wait for your new purchase to arrive at your doorstep. And that's it. You've navigated through the DHgate website, chosen a product, and securely paid with a new card. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your online shopping experience a little bit easier. See you in the next video.